Welcome to part 1 of Sid the Kid. We're going to begin by taking a look at CVC words. Remember, CVC words are words with 3 letters. Consonant, then a vowel, and then a consonant. CVC words use the short vowel sounds shown in the pictures below. Say them with me. A says a like apple. E says like egg. I says I like iguana. O says like octopus. And U says like umbrella. Another thing we know about CVC words is that we might see a B or a D in the word. Remember to use your CVC B or D strategy when you get to a B or a D so you say the correct sound. So when you see CVC words in the story, you can sound them out. Let's take a look at a few of the words you'll see. Say the sounds with me and then blend them together to say the word. Ready? Here we go. Sid, sid. Id, kid. Did you use a B or D strategy? Did you touch a circle, make a circle? Dog? Or use your hands? Remember to do that when you get to B's and D's. Ready? Here we go. Et, met. X, six. It, sit. Pig, pig. Add, had. Fun. Ready? Here we go. Z, egg, zig. Z, egg, zag. Run, run. Yes, yes. How did you do with saying your CVC words that you're going to see in the story? We also need to be able to say CVC words quickly and fluently. So we are going to practice those now, saying these words accurately and fluently. Ready? Say the sound with me and then blend. Here we go. Ib, fib. Yum, b, it, bit. Sub, sub, job. Great work. Here's our second line. Ready? Here we go. It, lit. Ox, rid, pan, wig. Last row, say them out loud with me. Here we go. Hug, gut, ab, dab, cot, id, mid. Nice work, friends. So we practiced CVC words that we can sound out. There'll also be some words in the story that we can't sound out. These are sight words, and many of them have heart sounds. That means there's part of the word we need to memorize by heart. Let's take a look at the first word. This is the word the. Say the. In the word the, we need to memorize that the TH says the and the E says the. Say this. In the sight word this, we need to remember that the TH says th. And just like in the, this. Say is. In the word is, the S makes the Z sound. Is. Say to. In to, the O's say oo, to. Say his. His is like the word is. The S makes the Z sound. Say with. In the word with, the TH makes the th sound. Say said. In the word said, the AI makes the sound. Said. Say like. In the word like, the silent E makes the I. Say its name. Like. Now we're going to play a game called Beat the Teacher. Get your marker, your crayon, or your pencil out, and get ready to highlight if you say the word correctly. Here's how we'll play. I'll point to the word, and you'll try to say the word before me. If you say the word correctly, then you get to highlight with one line straight across that word. Make sure to listen to me saying the word and check that you've said the word correctly before you highlight. Let's try the first one together. Say the word. This is the word the. If you said the word the before I did, you may take your marker, highlighter, or crayon and draw one line across the word the. You're going to keep playing this way throughout the game. Ready? Say the word. This. Say the word. Is. Say the word. To. Say the word. His. Say the word. With. Say the word. Said. And say the word. Like. Count up how many words you've highlighted and write that number here. So count up all the ones that you colored and write the total number here where it says score. If you need more time, stop. Hit pause, because we're going to go on to the next round. We're going to do the same game. See if you can beat your score. Ready? Say the word. The. Say the word. This. Say the word. Is. Say the word. To. Say the word. His. Say the word. With. Say the word. Said. And say the last word. Like. Count up how many words you've highlighted in this column and write that number here next to the word score. Did you learn more words from the first try to the second try? Awesome. We have one more round. See if you can say even more words correctly this time. Ready? Say the word. The. Say the word. This. Say the word. Is. Say the word. To. Say the word. His. Say the word. With. Say the word. Said. And say the last word. Like. Count up how many words you have correct in this column that you highlighted and put your score here. See if your score improved each time that you did it. Nice work, friends. All right, I'm going to get us set up now to play a game I call Detective. You're going to get to be a sight word detective and look for these sight words in our story. All right, so cap your marker and put it away and get ready to follow along as I read. This is a story called Sid the Kid. On this page, be a detective and find the sight word that you see on the page. Which of these words is on the cover? Say the word out loud. Did you say the word the? Nice work. We're going to keep playing this game, Detective, throughout the story. There are 4 sight words on this page. Look for them as I read. I met a kid. This is Sid. Sid is 6. I am 6'2". Say the first sight words you found on this page. All right, did you say this? Is, another is, and 2? Way to go. Page 2 has 1 sight word. Look for it as I read. Sid will get his pet. He has a pet pig. Say the sight word that you found. Did you say his? Nice job, detectives. This page is a tricky one. There are 4 sight words on this page. Look for them as I read. I will sit with the pig. Can this pig run? I said. Say the first sight words that you found. All right, did you say with? the, this, and said. Nice job. There's 4 sight words on our next page as well. Look for them as I read. Yes, my pig can run, said Sid. Sid and I like to run with the pig. Say the first sight words that you found. Did you say said, like, with, and the? All right, on our next page, we have 2 sight words. Look for them as I read. We can zig and zag. The pig will zig and zag too. Say the sight words that you found. There were 2. All right, did you find the and to? On our last page, we have 2 sight words. Sid and I will sit. The pig will sit too. We had fun. Say the 2 sight words you found. Did you say the and to? Great work, detectives. All right, now we're going to practice reading the story together. Say the words out loud as I read. So we'll read together. Ready? Here we go. Sid the Kid. I met a kid. This is Sid. Sid is 6. I am 6 too. Great job reading with me. Keep it up. Sid will get his pet. He has a pet pig. I will sit with the pig. Can this pig run? I said. Keep reading along with me. Let's see what happens. Yes, my pig can run, said Sid. Sid and I like to run with the pig. All right, we can zig and zag. The pig will zig and zag too. You can see a zigzag going back and forth. Last page, here we go. Read with me. Sid and I will sit. The pig will sit too. We had fun. You did an awesome job reading with me. The last thing we're going to do is a little bit of duet reading. In duet reading, I'll read the words in white and you'll say the words in yellow. So on this page, I would say Sid, you would say the, and I would say kid. Let's try it together. Sid, kid. Keep reading the words in yellow. I, a, this, Sid, is, I, 6, Sid, get, pet, has, pet. I'm going to stop there, and in the next video, you'll do more duet reading. Keep up the great work, friends. Way to go.